SBET stock analysis and SBET stock prediction. So in this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Look, I'm the only guy in this space who's done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented them all. I'm not even exaggerating, it's all on my YouTube channel, especially with SBET. Zooming out, mate, this here was nice, so nice. Like, here it is.
Stock analysis Thursday.
Down was $30.30. A month ago, 29th of May, and then this thing just popped up to like 1.24, so it's 4x'd, and then sort of came down. And I think the BMNR, I mean, I'm not saying the BMNR is going to be the same thing, but it's so similar. And in all seriousness, I mean, I don't hope that this is going to pump. It obviously definitely could. I'm not saying it will never pump again. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that if there's no sort of double break or anything, there's no way I'm selling. Simple. And I do have like a 12 results in the Discord. And if you want my exact play and all that good stuff, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights.